Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Jeep Gladiator bed cover. First, begin by opening your truck's tailgate completely. This provides clear access to the rear of the bed cover. Next, you will find two release straps, one on each side. Simply pull either of these straps to disengage the rear locking mechanisms, allowing the cover to be released from the back of the bed. Once the rear is disengaged, you can now roll or fold the bed cover towards the front of your truck bed. Continue this process until the cover is fully compacted near the cab. After it is completely rolled or folded, use the attached straps to secure it tightly. This prevents the cover from unrolling or unfolding during the next steps, ensuring it stays in place. To completely remove the cover, you will need a number 50 Torx head driver. Locate the two fasteners at the very front of the bed, near the cab, and carefully remove them. These bolts secure the cover to the truck bed rails. Additionally, if your cover has drain tubes, gently disconnect them from their ports. This ensures all connections are free before lifting the cover. Now that all fasteners and tubes are disconnected, it is time for the final step. With the help of a second person, carefully lift the entire bed cover straight off the truck. These covers can be heavy and awkward, so teamwork is essential for safety. Store your bed cover in a clean, dry location, away from direct sunlight or extreme temperatures, to maintain its condition for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.